Guys, Dogecoin has been crashing along with other cryptocurrencies, likely harder than you've ever seen it crash before. But we have some very bullish news in store. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in my top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you guys can buy as well. And then, as I watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've made at least 20 to 30% profits, I let you guys know that I'm selling so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Also, congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts on my Patreon, because we've made a lot of money. Also, be sure to subscribe with that bell rung so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Guys, if you have diamond hands, comment diamond hands down below. And smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. If you think there is no money to be made in Dogecoin because of this drop, because of this crypto crash, you are completely wrong. There is still massive volatility and we make massive profits daily on my Patreon. And guys, if you took my buy and sell trade alert when I recommended to buy at $28,000 on Bitcoin, guys, you've already made several $1,000s at almost $34,000 now. Now guys, you don't have to purchase a whole Bitcoin. You can always purchase whatever amount you'd like. Always have some cash on the side for these dips, because these dips are the perfect time to buy in. Bitcoin continues to close higher than it closed the previous day. Guys, this is a very bullish sign. When Bitcoin goes up, the rest of the cryptocurrency market goes up as well. Ethereum got as low as $1,600, so if you took my trade alert on that dip, guys, you are making a lot of money. Guys, Dogecoin hit an all-time low at 16 cents just earlier yesterday. However, today, it's all the way back up to almost 22 cents again. So guys, if you bought at that dip when I recommended to buy in, you've made a lot of money. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And last time we hit 19 cents on Dogecoin, historically, we went right back up to 43 cents. Guys, that was over 100% profits, and that's the kind of thing I recommend on my Patreon. And also, when we hit 14 cents last time, we went right up to 73 cents. Guys, with this massive volatility, it is a perfect time to get in during these infancy stages of cryptocurrency. As we look to the charts, just as I called out in my last video, when we hit that double bottom, as you can see, we bottomed out here. We bottomed out here as well. Right when I called it out, just after that, we saw green candlesticks. I called out that we'd have a breakout just after that to the upside. And just as I said, we have green candlesticks forming, going straight up in a very steep motion, which is an incredibly bullish symbol for Dogecoin. With our next level of resistance being at 30 cents. Guys, if we can break 30 cents, I don't think we'd have a very hard time getting to 40 cents. With every steep dip, we always get a very high bounce. Don't worry about all this fake news, all this FUD that the whales are putting out to scare people, to scare the new investors into selling. Don't have paper hands, always have diamond hands, and never sell for less than you bought in for. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, because if you do, you're going to end up taking it out prematurely before your end goal. Guys, Dogecoin has been down 38% just within the last 48 hours. However, if you look at the other cryptos and altcoins, those actually went down even further, which tells you that Dogecoin is a lot more stable than even the other coins. Also, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you use the link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. After such a high volume of sell-offs on Dogecoin, for it to recover as much as it has just within the last 24 hours, now up to almost 22 cents, guys, that's massive, that's huge, and that is a very bullish symbol and a bullish sign for Dogecoin to tell you that it's back on its bull run. We have green days ahead, and we have a lot to look forward to. Guys, we have an all-time low on the Fear and Greed Index. Guys, we're seeing so much fear in the marketplace due to social media, due to fake news, due to the FUD, due to what the whales are putting out. Because of this, there's massive sell-offs, massive drops and crashes in the crypto market. This is okay. This is completely normal for a healthy bull run. It has to have those cool down periods in order to go right back up. It can't just go straight up or straight down. It's always got to go up and down. And the volatility is really great with crypto because it gives you that chance to get in at these dips and to get out at the peaks. Guys, these whales want to put out the fake news so they can scare the smaller retail investor to sell off so they can get in at a very low price, a very discounted price, because they know the potential of cryptos. They know Ethereum is going to be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, Bitcoin millions of dollars in the very near future. Just as I discussed in my last video, the Dogecoin developers with the latest update are making the fees far reduced. The transaction fees were very high before, and now with this new update, it's going to allow more mass adoption. You want to get in before this update comes out because you want to get in at these very low prices before the price goes up. More companies and institutions are going to want to get into Dogecoin because of these transactions greatly reduced, especially if the fees are less on Dogecoin than other cryptocurrencies or the US dollar. More institutions, more companies, more people are going to want to have their investments and have their money and their assets in Dogecoin. Ethereum developers are currently working with the Dogecoin developers to get smart contracts implemented. Guys, this is huge. This is going to have Dogecoin possibly on the level of Ethereum, possibly being worth $100 just within the next few years. With more smart contracts, new platforms are going to be able to integrate Dogecoin inside of them. This W that we're seeing on the charts right here is a reversal pattern. It's a very bullish reversal pattern as well, and just as I called out previously, we're on the uptrend now. With lower lows, we now see that downtrend reversing, and we're getting higher highs. Based on my experience, about 80% of the time when we do see that reversal pattern, we do see an uptrend. I believe just within the last 48 hours, we've seen the bottom of Dogecoin, as low as it's going to go, and we will likely see it hit 30 cents just within the next week. With options expirations and also people shorting, these people are trying to drive the price down with fake news. But it's only causing further mass adoption, much more discounted prices that are affordable for the smaller investor. We're in a corrections and retracements phase. Guys, give it a week, give it 2 weeks, and we'll see Dogecoin going back up to the price that we're used to seeing it at. If you take a look at the crash of the stock market and cryptos just last year, you'll see much more mass adoption and a much higher volume in buying and selling. Guys, as you see the uptrend continue, people are going to start having FOMO. It's going to be a chain reaction. More people are going to buy in because in their head, they're going to keep seeing it go up and they're going to wish they got in earlier. You don't want to wait for that. You want to get in before the masses do. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, if you haven't rung the bell yet, be sure to do that because you don't want to miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Also, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip. I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well. I then wait for a massive peak and let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. So congratulations to all my patrons who've been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.